teacher.
Ang tagal naman ng teacher mo. Kanina pa tayo nag-online.
Okay, class. This is, this is
Sino ka
lesson.
naman?
Ako yung teacher nyo.
Ikaw ba yung teacher?
Yes.
Ba't kaya kasalamin gabing-gabi na?
Don't react to my shades because my shades is protecting my eyes to stress. I like
English ka
your...
ba?
Bakit?
Wala lang.
This is loading.
Hindi ako,
This is loading.
hindi kasi ako marunong sa, flip top.
Your brain is not update. 2.4. Now is 2.5.
Hoy,
What? 2.5?
2.5 upgrade your brain now.
ano po yung edad nyo? Ano po yung edad nyo?
What's your age? What's your age?
Oo.
Ice age. Don't questioning me like that because I'm graduating.
Graduating in what?
Parang matanda na po kayo ah.
Graduating in my lesson.
What lesson?
Lesson learned. So,
You're
Dapat
so funny.
yung sinagot nyo po, subject. Anong subject? Hindi.
my subject is English.
English.
Yes, you like English?
The
Not.
subject is English kinamatis.
This student is student advisory. Your guidance is not supporting because your mother not supporting you in the guidance. You like to go to guidance?
Not.
Not. Abi ko, of course not.
I thought you were English.
I thought because your thought is my toothpaste.
Bakit ka natatawa?
I don't like your aura to
To you?
my student
Why?
because I need standard.
You need standard?
Yes. You know standard?
Not.
Not.
Electric fan standard.
No,
We don't have standard here.
Standard here. You're like that.
Hindi kasi ako
And
marunong sa
she's
English.
like that. She's like that.
Yes.
Oh, I'm glad to see you.
Why you don't know English?
Kasi hindi naman aking paborito yung English na subject eh.
Ay,
You don't like English?
How can you go to the America?
Why?
Paglak
Why? Why you don't like English? Because you
hindi naman paborito. Hindi naman po nakin paborito yung subject na English.
hindi mo paborito yung
Is
subject?
your damit baliktad? No.
No, it's not baliktad.
Baliktad do?
The brand is unique.
Unique?
Uniqlo.
No.
Turuan mo na kami.
Yes. The lesson for the day, class. Oh, please listen. Please listen to your teacher. One day, the bird is flying. So what the cause she is flying?
Because the bird has wings.
Yes, correct. I like your answer. The bird is wings.
The bird not.
The bird not.
is supply.
The bird not supply. Okay, I like your answer too. Because the bird is not supply their want. The bird is want to fly. I like your supply. Please give me your answer. I like that. Oh, please continue. Please continue. What another answer to the bird is flying?
Because you want to fly.